Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to invite friends on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Sweatcoin application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into your Sweatcoin account, go ahead and tap on the two human figure at the bottom right hand corner. Now from the Friends tab, go ahead and scroll at the bottom of the screen and you will now be able to share your link to get your friends to join in with you on Sweatcoin. You can now select one of the apps displayed under Share Link or tap on More in order to choose a contact and select one of the applications from the list from where you can send the invitation to your friends. You may also copy your link by tapping on the copy button and directly share it with your SMS application on your mobile device. Select the contact you'd like to send the invitation to and paste in the link that you just copied. Now you can send this message to your friend, and when your friend taps the link and downloads the application, you'll both receive 5 Sweatcoins. So that is how you can easily send in an invitation link to one of your friends on Sweatcoin. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.